watching Autolessons TV.
Thanks for everyone that supported the toy drive. We actually have a really nice amount of gifts. I didn't really expect this much amount of gifts, but thank you. I want to thank Rigo for supporting us. He actually is donating this raffle. We actually asked him for one, but he donated two. And it's going to be 1 dozen cupcakes for each raffle. Alright, our next prize, for our last and final prize for tonight, is a free dino pool from JTran Studios, sponsored by Johnny himself.
Thanks for coming out to the meet today. It was actually a very successful meet. We actually had more than 250 cars approximately. The raffle was very successful, and Toys for Tots was really happy about the meet too. And hopefully next year we will also do another Toys for Tots meet and help Toys for Tots and hope everyone else comes out and support us as well. Thank you.
If you'd like to see more of our video, blogs, and picture coverage, you can visit us on facebook.com/AutoEssence.